Hello viewers, I am in Sycamore Park, Simi Valley, California, and I wanted to show you some more sandstone rocks, but mainly I want to show you this one because it resembles an elephant. This is called Elephant Rock. It's an historic landmark actually. In my surrounding area, we have a lot of rocks that resemble things. So I wanted to show you this one. This is Elephant Rock. As you can see, that would be his face, and his ear, and his trunk. There's a trunk. He doesn't have an ear on this side. Yeah, if you like, I noticed, checked out a YouTube channel that has rocks throughout the world, and somehow they're formed, they're shaped to look like things. So I thought I'd film some of the ones in my surrounding area. Start with this one. This one really looks like an elephant. That would be his eye. And there's a trunk. Anyway, just want to show you a quick video, some more sandstone rocks. Since I'm here, there's a cool cave over here. The reason this area is a historic landmark due to the Chumash Indians, Native American tribe that used to inhabit this area back in the day. They used to live in these rocks for shelter. I'll go check out that cave over there. Yeah, when I Google Earth, the different trails, mountains we have here, there's a lot of all these sandstone rocks and caves, and a lot of them resemble things. So I figure I'd start with Elephant Rock in the epic series of rocks that look like things. I showed you another video. I showed you up by Corriganville Park, all the rocks and caves we have. Very cool. There you go. Quick video. Elephant Rock and the surrounding sandstone rocks. Alright, thanks for watching.